So last week we had some very interesting moves on gold, on euro US dollar, on euro AUD and the other pairs we looked at. And this week there's a whole lot to look forward to in the forex market. My name is Tomi Odunlami and I'm the founder of EURAUD Trading Academy, and I'm going to be showing you exactly how I'm going to be trading gold, euro USD and other currency pairs. So let's get started with euro US dollar. So on euro US dollar, I have this on 1 hour chart. This is a bearish trend, and then we have this ascending channel here, which means this entire pattern is giving us a bearish flag. So I expect that the price should drop down to this trend line, and there I have 1.1395. So if the price on euro US dollar can come down to 1.1395 and break it, then I will expect that the price goes down to 1.1325. So those are the two levels I'm looking at this week. That price drops to 1.1395, and if it's able to break that, then I expect a move down to 1.1325. Here we have euro AUD, that's euro Australian dollar. And this is the 1 hour chart, and we have a head and shoulders pattern here. This is the left shoulder, this is the head, and this is the right shoulder. Now the price has broken the neckline already, and the neckline was at 1.6495. So I anticipate a drop towards 1.6430. That's the level I'm looking out for. And if the price can break 1.6430, then we look out for 1.6373. So that's what I'm looking out for this week. A drop on euro AUD down to 1.6430. And if it can break 1.6430, then we look at 1.6373. So here we have GBPAUD, that's British Pound Australian Dollar, and we have an expanding triangle here. It's a bearish expanding triangle. We can see that the price has moved within the range of the trend line support and the trend line resistance. So now that the price has reversed bearish from here, I anticipate a drop down to the trend line support, and the level I'm actually looking at is 1.8949. So I anticipate a drop towards 1.8949. That's what I'm looking out for this week. On GBP AUD, I have this on the 4 hour chart. Here I have this double top pattern on GBP NZD 1 hour chart. It's a double top, it's supposed to be an M formation. So I anticipate a drop down towards 2.3286. And if the price can break 2.3286, then I'll be looking for a drop towards 2.3105. So keep this in view. On GBP NZD, we have this double top pattern, and then I'll be expecting a drop to 2.3286 and 2.3105. Here's USDCAD. This is the 4 hour chart. We have this wide expanding triangle on it. The price has moved within the range of the trendline support and the trendline resistance. Now, we had a double top here last week, and we wait for the price to break below this support at 1.4165. So if the price can break below 1.4165, then we should expect a move down towards 1.4015. That's the level I'll be looking at for. For gold, I have this on the daily chart on gold XAUUSD. This is a falling wedge pattern, and the price has moved within the range of the falling wedge. So I anticipate a move from here. It has touched the trend line support, so I anticipate a move up to the trend line resistance. So I'm looking out for gold to reach 4276, which is the resistance here. So I'm looking out for that, and when it gets to this trend line, of course, we'll be looking for either a reversal downward again back to this trend line or a break of the trend line. So that's what I'll be looking at for this week, a move on gold towards 4276. So have a beautiful trading week ahead, and best of luck in your trading. On my mentorship community, we are going to be discussing the exact entry levels on these trades. So if you're not on my mentorship community yet, please click the link in the description of this video and join my mentorship community, and let's trade together every day.